my friends, I'm Gov. So today I'm going to talk about Ancient Indian History Part 2. In this series I'm going to talk about ancient Indian lands in short, also the flora and fauna of ancient India, especially in the modern times if it existed today. So yes, let's start our video. If ancient India existed today, then it covered a huge part of southern areas of Central Asia and also Tajikistan, North Afghanistan too. Wow. It also covered the Shakkas Valley to the west and also the eastern Iran and also the Sistan province of Iran. And yes, many parts of southern western China, eastern western China, Sichuan province, and many parts of southern East Turkestan, and also many parts of South East Turkestan. Also, even going as far as in covering the whole Tibetan plateau. So yes, to the north, to the southern and central Asia, to the east and west, to the western China and the Shakkas Valley of the eastern Iran, to the southern of the Maldives. So yes, India would be very diverse. So diverse that the India will be the second or the third largest country. Wow. And yes, this land diversity also comes in the hefty price of flora and fauna. And yes, India will be very diverse in the modern day if ancient India existed today. And yes, if ancient India existed today, then Asiatic cheetah will also be in India. As in the eastern and central Iran, Asiatic cheetahs are found heavily. And also they also are found in Shakkas Valley too. So yes, if ancient India existed today, then Asiatic cheetahs would there. If ancient India existed today, then the westernmost part of the India will be Shakkas Valley. So yes, Asiatic cheetahs were there too, but they will be critically endangered. And yes, Indian government could take a very serious action to protect them, as they are very rare. Also, India will be the only country in the world that is an Asian country, and in the Asian country it has lions, cheetahs, tigers, leopards both coexisting with each other. That is a wow fact of the ancient India if it still existed today. Also, India would have 3 tiger species. Wow! As we know that modern India has 1 tiger species, Bengal tiger, but if ancient India existed today, it will be 3: Bengal, South China, and the Indo-Chinese. Indo-Chinese will be found in the Western Burma, as in the ancient India, Western Burma and the northern Indo-Chinese peninsula were be part of the ancient India. And yes, in these areas, Indo-Chinese tigers are found. So yes, if ancient India existed today, then Indo-Chinese tigers were also there. But they were in eastern areas of ancient India. Also, South China tigers were also there, but they were in eastern areas too. But they would be critically endangered. So yes, Indian government could take a heavy action on them. As we know, Indian government protects the India's critically endangered and also threatened, near threatened, vulnerable, and least concerned animals too, and also extinct in wild and possibly extinct animals too. So yes, the Indian government would have focused more on the Indian flora and fauna. So yes, India would have having extinct animals too in it. So sad. And yes, one of these being the Caspian tiger. Caspian tiger found in eastern Iran and southern Central Asia. Also as far as going in Caucasus Mountains and Turkey too. But yes, a Caspian tiger would have been found in India before 1970s, as southern Central Asia is a part of ancient India, and if ancient India existed today, then Caspian tiger would be there because it is found in southern Central Asia. Wow! But they will be found before 1970s. As in 1970s they extinct due to humans. Very sad. And also India will be home of two rhino species till 2010, as before 2010 in the northern Indochina peninsula the Javan rhinos were found in northern Indochina. And as we know, in the ancient India, northern Indochina is a part of ancient India. So yes, the Indo China Peninsula's northern areas that will be a part of India if ancient India existed today, and before 2010 Javan rhinos existed today. So yes, before 2010 the Javan rhinos will be found in India too. And yes, it could be possible that if ancient India existed today, then the Javan rhino never disappeared in the northern Indochina. And yes, the species that the Javan rhinos belong, that were found in the northern Indochina, were known as the Vietnamese Javan rhino. So yes, if ancient India existed today, then there will be a very good factor that the Vietnamese Javan rhino will be critically endangered or endangered, not to be extinct. Wow. So yes, this is a whole new topic about the ancient India's flora and fauna. Bye. See you tomorrow.